Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and staying at your home safely. So, dear children, let's continue our English lesson 1, the fun they had. In our previous video, I explained you the two paragraphs. Both the paragraphs were about the story. The story in which the Margi was the main character of it. So today we are going to start with the third paragraph. And I hope you all must have gone through those two paragraphs and you must have understood the entire, paragraphs, what it means to say. Now, today we are going to start with the third paragraph. So let's start. The third para is they turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to. On a screen. Here I tell you the meaning of crinkly also. It's a new word and you must remember it. Crinkly means with many folds or lines, something that is crushed. Do you all understand the meaning of crinkly? I would request you to just underline this word crinkly and write the meaning also. Once again, I will tell the meaning of crinkly. Crinkly means with many folds or lines, something that is crushed. So, in this para, they want to explain that Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow and they had been crushed as it was very old. Pages कैसे हो गए बुक के एकदम पुराने हो गए हैं. And the children found it very funny to read the words which stood still. Now, you must be thinking, what does it mean by that words that stood still? Still मतलब एक जगह रुके हुए हैं. Why? The words were printed on the pages and they did not move. On the other hand, the books that Margie and Tommy read were online. Online means e-books. So, in the e-books, how it happens? The text keeps on moving as your screen moves, but it was a different in the books printed on paper. And the next para is, and then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had had when they read it for the first time. It means this was a very strange experience for these children. When you have a book which is printed on paper, whenever you flip the pages, you to get to see the same thing written on the pages. On the other hand, in an e-book, the text keeps on changing on the screen. The screen is same. You have the same screen in front of you, but the text keeps on changing. So whenever you go back, the text is different. So isn't it a strange experience for both of them? Gee, said Tommy, what a waste! When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess a television screen must have had a million books on it and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Actually, Tommy disliked the printed book. He said that it was a waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you have to throw it away. You cannot have some different story written on the same book. On the contrary, he felt that the computer screen was very good because the same screen had shown him many books and still he could read many more on it. He would not have to throw that screen away when once he had read a particular story. So, actually, they are comparing the printed book or the real book and the e-book. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. It means Margie agreed with Tommy's opinion. Margie was 11 years of age and she has not read as many books as Tommy had because Tommy was older to Margie. He was 13 years of age. So, dear children, now I would request you to watch this video once again in order to understand the. Thank you, dear children. In our next video, we will be definitely studying the next paragraphs. Meanwhile, stay at home, stay safe, and continue with your studies. Thank you.